Sorry about the late start. Here at Willaston crossing in Cheshire, my homes and Derek Holmes. Right, the time now is... What's the time? On the...
Sunday, 1st October.
2023, we are down for our...
I think we're down for an hour. Manchester City to Cardiff Central or Cardiff Central to Manchester.
Oh, I see the lights. It's here already.
Cardiff Central to Manchester City, which is made up of...
Dad, it's here already.
Oh, it could be the...
What?
Could be the 6782.
No, I don't think it would be.
It just doesn't tell me on here.
No, because I heard a horn and that didn't almost sound like it. Dad, it almost didn't sound like it. So it might be not be. It might be a 150 or 153.
No, can you sound like a 158 horn?
No, because that would have had a squeaky horn. Can you do tone also? 153. Didn't catch those, it was too dark. And where'd they go?
Yeah. I think it was 2 153.
Thank you guys, I'll see you next video.